With multiple products in place, let's group them into collections so that your customers can browse your store in an organized way. On the left, under Products, click Collections. If you have some default collections here, you can ignore them for now, or you could select them, click the three-dot menu, and delete the collection. To create your first actual collection, click Add Collection. For the title, I'll type Men's, and below, you can add a short description for the collection, and then you can choose the collection type. I like to keep full control, so I'll choose Manual, and I'll show you how to add products to this collection one by one. To add an image for the collection, click the Add Image button on the right and upload a photo that represents the collection. I'll add a file, and I'll choose this one. And I'll click Done. Then, if you scroll down to Products, you can search or click Browse to select products. Search for each product that belongs in the collection, select all the ones that do, and then click Add. The products in the collection will now show in this list, and if you need to remove any from the list, you can just click the X here. Once you're done, click Save. Then click here or here to return to the list of collections. I'll repeat those same steps now myself to create 2 additional collections, one called Women's and another for new arrivals. You can also add products to collections from the products page itself. Go back to Products, then select the product that you want to add to a collection, go up to click the three-dot menu, click Add to Collections, choose the collection that you would like to add it to, and click Save.